Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for connective tissues. Let's get started. Okay, sit down while crossing your knees, one knee to the other. Bring your feet across your hips. Sitting bone down. Inhale and exhale. Just place your hands wherever you feel comfortable and start twisting your body to one side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open your chest and twist. Soften your shoulders, soften your gaze. Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch outside of your leg. Keep breathing. Inhale, halfway, and exhale, release. Inhale, let's twist your body to the opposite side. Inhale, exhale. Get all air through within your body. Just connect your intention with your breath. Air goes through entire body, even the tip of your fingers, tip of your toes to the crown. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, release. Now switch your legs. Knees stacking up to the other. And feet cross your hips. And sitting bone, both his sitting bones down. Inhale, twist. Shoulder blades together, open up your chest. Widen your collarbones. Relax your shoulders away from ears. Drop your shoulders down. Relax your shoulder blades. And shoulder blades down. And don't tense up your legs. Leg totally relax. And if you notice any tension creeping up to your chest and shoulders, and simply use breath. Exhale to relax. And then any feeling, emotion come, just simply observe and let it go. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, release. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. And during yoga practice, a lot of thoughts coming in and out. Just without any judgment, just simply observe your thoughts, idea, and just keep breathing and breathing it away. Again, if you notice any tension creeping it up, exhale and release and let it go. Open up chest and soften your chest, shoulders. Inhale, look straight. And exhale, relax. Okay, now straighten your legs, take Dandasana. Flex your toes, press your thighs down. And sitting bone down, tailbone down, connect to the floor. Inhale. And exhale, top and over. And any variation of your hands on the floor or knee, shins, ankle, toes, or maybe clasp your wrist. Inhale, exhale. And feel free to a little bit fidget around if you notice any muscle tension. Again, this is your time. You just keep breathing, stretching, enjoy this moment. Just stay there. Just be there. Nothing else. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Good. Let's lay down on your stomach. And forearm forward, take Sphinx pose. Toes straight, lifting up your knees. Inhale, crown reaching 45-degree angle. And keep your neck long. And open your chest. Stay there. Forearm, palm pressing down. Shoulder blades together and draw down. Inhale to lengthen, create space between cervical vertebra and vertebra. And exhale to soften your shoulders and open up your chest. Inhale to lengthen, create space. Exhale to open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Don't worry about anything. Just keep breathing. Don't worry about to do this after this practice. Just enjoy this moment. Create a space between shoulders and ear. Stretch out your neck. Inhale, exhale, release. Now, let's find your way to come to Garland pose, squatting position. Also, it's called Malasana. And if you cannot bring your hips low, don't worry about it. And keep your feet flat. And then if you cannot keep your feet flat and heels up, don't worry about it. Do your best. Always we are here to do our best. So take Garland pose, Malasana. And inhale, exhale. Use your elbow to press your knees out. Open your chest. And keep your neck long, back straight. And gaze forward. Inhale, exhale. And soften your gaze. Hips forward. Relax your shoulders. Crown reaching toward the sky and sitting bone, tailbone to the ground. Enjoy Ujjayi breath. Deep, long breath. Lot of air, getting a lot of air to the body, and exhale, empty air out. Okay, now bring your toes straight and lifting up the hips. Keep your feet about hip distance and bend your knees. And just sway your head to the side. Relax. Relax. The weight of your scalp will do the lower back stretch. And each vertebra stack up slowly. Now, let's lay down on your back. And interlace your hands above your head. And just stretch out to your right. To stretch your left side of your body. And keep your shoulder blades down flat and open wide. Let your blood flow going. And next, exhale back to straight center. And again, interlace your hands above your head. Stretch out, this time to your left. Enjoy the stretch on the right side of your body. Keep your shoulder blades flat and open. Just sigh out. Release any tension. Just make yourself free. Inhale, exhale. Stretch, give yourself nice big stretch. And next, exhale slowly back to center and release your hands. Let's hug your knees to your chest. Make yourself a tiny, tiny ball. And a little bit maybe bouncing. Or maybe a little bit rolling your knees to the side. To give yourself a nice good stretch massage, self-massage, self-care on your back. Okay. Okay, now straighten your knees, thrust your heel to the sky. And now soften your knee and soften your ankle, doesn't matter, point or flex or between. Just bring blood flow to the heart to lighten up your legs. Just stay there. If you want a little bit, maybe kick bounce. Again, thrust your heel. Maybe point. Thrust your heel. Point. Again, flex. Point. And soften your knee, soften your legs. Just stay there for a few moments. Breathe in, fill up air in your chest and exhale. Inhale a lot of air to your body and exhale, soften everything, relax everything. Inhale. And exhale, bring your legs slowly down and straighten your knees. And take final pause of Savasana. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. This sequence will promote healthy connective tissues. I recommend you do it very regularly. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!